Hi everyone, this is my 15.112 final project. The name is AlphaConnect, and it's two parts, Connect 4 and AlphaGo. You see, AlphaConnect. Well, the first part, let's check it out. Connect 4. Okay, so this is a game main screen. I can mute the sound and I can also full screen. Now you may see black screen, but that's just problem with the recording software. It becomes full screen instantly. Now I can click on the play button. Brings me to the selection screen where I can play with a human or play with a bot. I also can go back to home if I want. Okay, let's play with a human. Yeah, basically each column is where you can place the piece, and if after the game is ended, you can click on restart and also going home. Okay, now let's take a look at the AI. I've set up the AI to play with itself, so you have something to look at while I'm talking. So for those who don't know about AlphaGo, you should probably look it up, and I'll just briefly introduce it here. AlphaGo was the first computer Go program that bet a human professional Go player 4-1. And before this, the game of Go was thought to be unbeatable by AIs because the search space is so big that every board position is larger than any particle in the universe. Okay, and another version called AlphaGo 0 is even stronger than AlphaGo, but it was trained purely on self-play data, so it played with itself to gain knowledge of the game of Go. And I've tried to implement the algorithm for Connect 4. In my program, I had two versions of AI. One is a pure Monte Carlo tree search, which is already very strong, and another version is the algorithm described in AlphaGo 0 paper. Now let's wait till the game ends, and I'll take a look at the code. Here we can take a look at my code. So I've separated my codes into 10 different files, and every one of them are less than 500 lines of code, so that it's human readable. The longest one is GUI.py, which is the GUI part of the game, and I also have the console part of the game, which is like the game engine. And the simulate game is a simplified version of the class, a game class, which is used in Monte Carlo research simulations. Monte Carlo research simulation has a class called tree node. Basically have select, expand, simulate, update, which are the different steps in the tree search. And for more details, you can reference the Wikipedia page. I'll skip those two because those are more complicated models. Training utilities, and I've created a class for each player, so we can swap in different players in the GUI. And lastly, I have a setup file which creates exe, the executable for our game, so I can click on this icon to play the game. and also I can distribute the game, so I can just send the exe to anyone. And now let's take a look at the model. This is the model I'm currently using. It has 6 convolutional layers, batch normalization, and then as described in the AlphaGo 0 paper, it separates into a value convolution network and the policy convolutional network, and they output to different predictions. Okay, but I'm still testing different configurations of this network. Okay, and this neural network is used in combination with the Monte Carlo tree search to produce the best result. The training of this neural network is more complicated. It uses like a self-training pipeline, which I can't explain right now because it takes a lot of time, but you can reference the original paper for that. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great winter.